I saw my dentist for a gnarly root canal. The pain was piercing, language mighty foul. Then approached this needle that's supposed to ease the pain. It trickled down my throat, then froze my brain. I am liking Novocaine, needles, pinching gums, and I'm getting really numb. This awful flavor really grinds my gears. Then pain subsides and I express my garbled cheers. Garbled cheers. Garble. I am just a patient, and you are DDS. Suicide was just a fad, I guess. Before those pliers could pull my tooth, with Popeye forearms just like Babe Ruth, extracting my crown, pulp and rotten root. I am liking Novocaine, there's blood in my eye, and I sure can't feel a thing. I'm drooling buckets down my brand new shirt, but thanks to you I now can live without the hurt. You are just a dentist, and I am just a nerd. Insurance pays up, 'cause you're well preferred. Before your needle could numb my teeth, to set in motion the blood beneath my gums and jawbone, tingling my feet. I am liking Novocaine, can't talk, laugh or smile, and now see me driving home to come on down from this tooth-frozen state. Maybe tomorrow I'll eat the food that's on my plate. On my plate. So I really don't think that meatloaf should glow in the dark, do you? I mean, you know.